Guys, today we'll talk about how can you restore purchases on your Hinge app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on your photo profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on this sign here. So then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on restore subscriptions here, just click on it. So then automatically it's going to restore with you here on your Hinge app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.